Assalamu alaikum everyone, friends, brother and sister. Can you get this English question right? Let's see. Answer: the birds are flying south for the winter. Nature in action. Answer: my phone broke when I dropped it. Rip phone. Let's break it down. Phone issue: your phone broke when you dropped it. Rip phone is a casual way to say my phone is died or my phone doesn't work anymore. Next tip: you can try to repair it or get a new one. Friends, write your answer in the comment. Let's see who is correct.